10 minus 2 is 8. Then we have times 8 minus 5 is 3. Then 3 square. This will give 8 times 9 and it will give 72. This is wrong. If that is your approach, you will get the wrong answer. The best way to solve this is by using the order of operation, which is PEMDAS or BODMAS. They are both the same. Whenever you come across multiplication and addition, and division, you have to solve from left to right. If multiplication appears first, then you multiply first. For this question now, we do not have division, so we have nothing to worry about. So here now we'll be having 10 minus 2 times, we have to solve what we have in the bracket first. 8 minus 5 is 3. Then it has a square. So that means we will now have 10 minus 2 times 9. We cannot subtract until we multiply. So now let's multiply. Since we have solved the bracket, we've solved the bracket, and then we've solved the exponent. Now we need to multiply so that we have 10 minus 2 times 9 is 18. So now we have 10 minus 18, and this will give -8. So this is the correct answer. You have to use the order of operation so you will not get the wrong answer. Don't fall for it.